Let me demonstrate how SNMP works in this way. Here we have a network management station, the SNMP server, and a few switches, which are the SNMP clients. We'll use SNMP to manage the switches. In the first example, I want to retrieve information from switch A about how many packets have passed through a specific port. First, I set a GET request with the MIB identifier for the information I need. Let's assume the request is GET 1.3.6.1.800.4.5.6. This request goes to the switch and accesses the specific file of information. The SNMP client then returns a GET reply with a value of 13,678. This value means that 13,678 packets have passed through the port in question. Now we'll try a SET command. In this case, I want to disable a port. This is a little more complex than the last scenario. Before we start, we need to identify some values. 1.3.6.1.800.5 is the port in question. 1.3.6.1.800.5.0 means the port is disabled. This is indicated by the value of 0 at the end of the identifier. 1.3.6.1.800.5.1 means the port is enabled. This is indicated by the value of 1 at the end of the identifier. Okay, now we can start. First, I send a GET to determine the status of the port. Now that command looks like GET 1.3.6.1.800.4.5. In this case, I receive a GET reply of 1.3.6.1.800.4.5.1, which tells me the port is active. I then send to the switch a SET 1.3.6.1.800.4.5.0 to disable the port. Then I send another GET 1.3.6.1.800.4.5 to check the status of the port. I receive a GET reply 1.3.6.1.800.4.5.0 telling me the port is disabled and my SET command was successful.